And what is it that I am doing today? I don't know. Am I making a video? Yes, seems to be so. But today I would like to make some belt buckles. So I gotta fire up the forge, heat up some material. I have this 8mm mild steel bar. I'm just gonna smash it a little bit. Then I need to make some kind of a jig or a bending thing. We'll see. Let's fire up the forge. I moved the bricks in a little bit. More efficient, bit hotter. Thinner stock just for the pin on the belt buckle. Thicker stock that I will use for the frame. Now I need to go to the store and get some more coal. I'm currently about to weld this little jig whilst standing in the mud in the bottom of a truck floor that's currently being fixed, and wondering why I'm doing this in such bad conditions. It exists now. Yeah, I guess you can guess what the plan is. It's been another day. Yesterday was good. I made some buckles. I'm gonna clean up the forge. While I'm cleaning it out, I can show you. Vacuum cleaner, blow, not suck. Coming up the pipey, box, brick, holes. It's going good. Time to flatten them out, weld them together. I'm very hungover. Cold today. Yesterday I ended up finishing with I think 13 or 14 buckles. Great news. Today I need to finish them off, weld them up, put the pins on. Will be a good day. That's what I did. Bingo. I just finished treating the buckles. Heated them up with a blowtorch till it goes blue, and then keep heating it till it goes past through all of the beautiful purples, and then just before it goes red, you dunk it in motor oil, and it comes out black. It's kind of like skin, you know. You heat it up so the pores open up, and then you dunk it in the oil, and then it seeps into that surface, so you get a bit of rust protection and this nice dark color. And we finished forging. I'm so happy with how these came out. To set the record straight, I really don't know what I'm doing with a forge and blacksmithing. I have just seen a lot of videos and I've been inspired to try, so I've played with it, but I'm really happy with the results, how this came out. It was so much fun. And now I am back in my room, my workspace, which is also my bedroom and kitchen, but mostly workspace. And it's time to do something that I do know something about, leather. Let's make some belts. This is full grain veg tan leather. What does that mean? Full grain is the quality of the leather. It means it is from the top of the skin down. Nothing has been cut from the top. Veg tan means that the tanning process, which is the process of turning skin into leather, has been done using natural ingredients. For example, things from tree bark and vegetables. Little thing about leather you probably don't know. If you have a belt or a jacket or anything made from leather that says genuine on it, genuine is actually what the worst quality leather is called. If you have leather that's genuine, genuine means that it is the cut of leather underneath the skin, and then they put like a fake skin on top. So if you have a genuine belt and you think that, oh, it's good leather, actually, it's the worst you can get. This is the best you can get. Yeah! And they are finished. They look luxury. They look so nice. I'm so happy with how these came out. If you want one, then I am sorry, but these ones are already all sold. Sorry. These beauties are going to Epic Snowboard Store in Yailo. Norwegian homies, if you're in Yailo, go buy one. Or don't buy one. But go check out the store. But I will be making some more soon. So if you want one, send me a message on Instagram or leave a comment. And we can make it happen. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you very much. I don't know if I'm going to make more videos. It was pretty fun. I'm probably going to make more videos. Yeah? But thank you. Bye!